Hey, Anukool here from the TheAIMarketingSchool, where we make marketing magically profitable. Today, we're diving into the treasure chest of knowledge that can take you from $0 to millionaire status. Forget boring books and long nights of reading. I'm going to condense the most powerful lessons into bite-sized nuggets of wisdom. Ready to flip the script on making money online? Let's turn those digital dimes into online dollars. All right, let's kick things off with level 1. Going from $0 to $100,000. First up, you need to tackle those pesky money beliefs. Ever heard money is the root of all evil? That's a total myth. Secrets of the Millionaire Mind taught me that money is all about freedom. Think about it. What do you want to do? Travel? Invest? Just chill on a beach? Watch out. If you're clinging to negative beliefs, you're sabotaging your success. Picture this. Money is like a genie. Treat it well, and it grants your wishes. In the magic of thinking big, I learned that most people play it safe, setting their finish lines way too soon. If you aim for a just okay job, that's all you'll get. Think of yourself as a rocket. The higher you aim, the further you'll go. The winner effect shows that winning breeds more winning. So, set daily goals that are easy to achieve. Watch out. Don't let failure knock you down. Use it as fuel to fire up those wins. Think and Grow Rich shares the story of a commander who burned his ships to motivate his crew. Talk about commitment. Sometimes you need to go all in to win big. Atomic Habits teaches us that focusing on the process, not just the end goal, is crucial. Pairing new habits with existing ones can turn you into a productivity powerhouse. Watch out. Don't let procrastination steal your dreams. Now that we've laid the foundation, let's dive into some insider secrets. If you think all this sounds complicated, don't sweat it. We're simplifying every step. Remember, it's not about how fast you run. It's about making sure you're running in the right direction. Now, I want to hear from you. What's your get money quick idea? Drop it in the comments. I'll let you know what I think. And if you're serious about stacking those digital dollars, hit subscribe and join me every week for more insights. To sum it all up, master your mind, aim high, celebrate small wins, go all in, and build those killer habits. Remember, in digital marketing, the smartest work wins. So keep learning, keep earning. Check out more resources at TheAIMarketingSchool.com for deeper dives into the world of marketing and online business strategies. Let's turn your goals into reality. Catch you in the next video, my money-making magicians.